Offshore Software Development Center, Definition, Benefits, Setup Process. By Procoders. What is an offshore development center? Offshoring is a great software development practice, especially when it comes to optimizing costs. There is a model of offshoring called the Offshore Development Center. What is Offshore Development Center? It basically entails the creation of an off-site team to work on a software development project. Assistance in providing office structure. An offshore development center provides a development team with the required office infrastructure and manpower, including administrative and support staff necessary to carry the development process to completion. A project manager is usually set in charge of the development center. Why do you need to set up an offshore development center? Convenient offshoring model. What is Offshore Development Center but a model that allows you to focus on your core business responsibilities while outsourcing software development needs? The team is dedicated to that specific project, providing stability throughout the project lifecycle, as well as scalability as the client's needs evolve. Dedicated environment. An offshore software development center is a dedicated office environment equipped with every need of a physical office, including inbuilt network security. Therefore, taking your work off-site would not affect the security or the efficiency of a project. Most projects don't require high-level security anyway. Nevertheless, if yours does, Procoders can provide a functional agreement and supporting resources to ensure that. What risks and challenges may arise? Management challenges. You need to hire a full range of employees here: project managers, recruitment staff, office administration staff, as well as developers, engineers, quality assurance testers, UI/UX designers, etc. Communication challenges. An offshore development center meeting is essentially working remotely. Therefore, fostering effective communication between the client organization and the offshore team can be difficult if not managed properly. Also, you need a vibrant project manager who is efficient at managing remote teams. Security risks. This is one of the most important factors for many companies regarding offshore development center services: how to keep information secure despite the distance. There are risks of data leakage of sensitive information. To mitigate this risk, it is crucial that you build network security into the very infrastructure of the Offshore Software Development Center. Existing ODC working models. Contractor model. This is an offshore development center model where a company hires a team of IT specialists to take on specific projects. Every aspect of the project is executed by a remote team, from planning to development, testing, and right to the implementation. Startups find this model really helpful for realizing timely software while their on-site IT teams focus on core business processes. Customer model. Team members in this model of offshore development are still full employees of the corporation. However, the project is still executed from a remote location. The reason for this is usually to preserve the confidentiality and security of a project, particularly if it is related to proprietary software. Conclusion. Over the years, Procoders has been part of big-time projects, building dedicated teams and providing appropriate infrastructure to support the development of critical software. Procoders stands out as an example of how companies can power their teams via a dedicated offshore development center, meaning via a dedicated team and infrastructure. If you have an idea for a software product already, you can talk to us about your options and get a budget-friendly package that fulfills your needs. Subscribe our channel and read more about Offshore Software Development Center, definition, benefits, setup process at Procoders blog.